Class 9th topic polynomial. Polynomial are poly and nomial. Now you can see we have write in two different color. That means poly means many and nomials mean terms in the algebraic expression, otherwise part. That means polynomial means many terms. An algebraic expression that contains many terms is known as polynomial. Like 3x square plus 5x plus 2. This is an algebraic expression and it has containing two signs as plus as minus. That means there is three terms. Three terms. Since there is more than one terms, so that it known as polynomial. According to the terms, polynomials are monomial, binomial and trinomial. All these are also known as polynomial and also a polynomial. Monomial like containing one terms. Which expression contains one term known as monomial? Which expression contains two terms known as binomial? Which expression contains three terms, exactly three terms known as trinomial, and one or more than one all are known as polynomial. That means monomial, binomial and trinomial are also known as polynomial. Like 2x is a monomial, like 7 is a monomial, like 3xy is also a monomial. These all are monomial since they have only one term. Binomial like a plus 2 plus separates these terms so that we have two terms. This is binomial, like 2x plus 3y. This is binomial. In trinomial, there is two signs plus or minus have separates three terms. That means this is trinomial. Another example is this. This is also trinomial. And polynomials are multi-terms. Polynomials containing multi-terms. Polynomial, it must be written as this is polynomial in x having many terms. You can see here. There is x having power n is variable and it is the exponent form of variable, and an is the coefficient of x having power n. That means xn का coefficient an है, an minus 1 is coefficient of x की power n minus 1. Similarly, a0 is coefficient of x to the power 0. This term is also known as constant term. Since x की power 0 has value 1, so that there is no place of x to the power 0. That means this is the constant term of polynomial. This is an example of polynomial. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4 terms. That means it is a polynomial since it contains more than 3 terms. Here the degree of polynomial. We have to discuss about degree of polynomial. What is the degree of polynomial? The degree of polynomial is the highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable, and there is variable only one, x. So that the higher power, यहाँ पर x की पावर 0 है, यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ 2 और यहाँ 3. That means the higher power of variable क्या है? 3 है. So that there is degree of polynomial is 3. In this polynomial, the degree of polynomial is 3. If polynomial is like that, अगर आपका पॉलिनोमियल इस तरह से हो तो इसमें यहां पर डिग्री वेरिएबल क्या है? x और y है. दैट मींस ये पॉलिनोमियल x, y में है. और ऐसे कंडीशन में x की पावर 2 और y की पावर 1 का 3, यानी ये 3 पावर का टर्म है. यहाँ पावर 1 है, यहाँ y और x की 1 + 1 2, यहाँ 0 है. दैट मीन्स हायर पावर यहाँ पर क्या है? 3 है. सो दैट the degree of polynomial px, y in this expression is 3. डिग्री यहाँ पर इसकी 3 होगी. ऐसी कंडीशन पर हम पावर्स को ऐड कर लेंगे. Now the types of polynomial according to degree. यहाँ पर हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट मेन होगा डिग्री का, और हम टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल पढ़ेंगे. The first type of zero polynomial. Then linear polynomial, then quadratic polynomial, then cubic polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Zero polynomial, that means the degree of variable is 0, so that it contains constant term. That means only 2, 3, only numbers. If any expression contain only numbers, that means that is zero polynomial. And we discuss about the graph of the zero polynomial is, the graph of zero polynomial is if the polynomial y is equals to 2, written as, that means it parallel to the y. The graph of this polynomial is parallel to the y as 2 unit. Like that. If -2, that means down, there is -2. This is the graph of polynomial y minus 2. About linear polynomial. यहाँ एक बात और ध्यान देने योग्य है कि ये ग्राफ जो है एक भी बार जो है एक्स एक्सिस को कट नहीं कर रहा है, और यही कंडीशन है कि वो जीरो पॉलिनोमियल है, क्योंकि जितनी डिग्री होगी उतने ही टर्म्स पर ये कट करता है. लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ax plus b. Like this is linear polynomial. Why? Because the degree of the variable is 1. There x की power 0. So that the degree of variable is 1, and the graph of linear polynomial is like that. This type, otherwise this type. Only one point of intersection with the x axis. x axis के साथ केवल one point of intersection है, क्योंकि यहाँ variable x था, तो x axis के साथ एक point of intersection आपको केवल मिलेगा इस तरह के ग्राफ में, इसका यहाँ पर और इसका. So that means केवल एक ही इसका रूट मिलेगा, एक ही जीरो इसका फाइंड होगा. कैसे? अब देख सकते हैं ax plus b is the linear polynomial. If we put equals to 0, then we get ax is equals to minus b and x is equals to minus b by a. So that it is a constant value. X has a constant value. That means on the x axis there is one point only which can found on this graph. Now the quadratic equation like this. The quadratic polynomial, the higher power is 2, so that it is known as quadratic polynomial and written in this form. That means there is two values, two zeros of x minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac on 2a. One times we take positive and other times negative. That means there is two roots of this expression, this polynomial. If we put it equals to 0, then we get x के दो मान हमें यहाँ पर मिलते हैं, so that ये क्या कहलाएगा, क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल कहलाएगा. और इसका ग्राफ जो है वो x एक्सिस को 2 टाइम्स टच करेगा, 1 and 2. दैट मीन्स अगर कोई ग्राफ जो है वो x एक्सिस को 2, 3 या जितने भी टाइम टच करेगा, दैट मीन्स उसके जीरोज की संख्या उतनी ही होगी. यहाँ पर जीरोज की संख्या कितनी होगी, 2, नंबर ऑफ जीरोज. दैट मीन्स अगर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है तो उसके नंबर ऑफ जीरोज 2 होंगे. लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल है तो वो उसके जीरोज 1 होंगे. जीरो पॉलिनोमियल है तो कोई भी जीरो नहीं होगा उसका. क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल की बात करें, क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल इस फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ होता है, ax क्यूब प्लस bx स्क्वायर प्लस cx प्लस d. There is the higher power of the variable is 3, so that it known as cubic polynomial. And according to the roots property, it contains 3 roots. Quadratic polynomial, quartic polynomial as in the form of ax की power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. This is the form of quartic polynomial. If the polynomial is px, how we find the zeros of polynomial? For finding the zeros, we have to put polynomial equals to 0. मान लीजिए आपके पास जो है एक पॉलिनोमियल lx प्लस m फॉर्म का है, इस तरह का एक लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल है. जब हम इसे इक्वल्स टू 0 रखेंगे, देन वी सॉल्व इट. lx is equals to minus m. Transposing positive m from LHS to RHS, we get minus m at RHS, so that x is equals to minus m by l. Then we get the value of x. According to this, we can get the zero of polynomial.